Collagen supplement benefits. Collagen supplements have gained popularity in recent years, primarily for their potential benefits related to skin, joint health, and overall well-being. Collagen is a protein that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including providing structural support to connective tissues, skin, hair, nails, and more. While some of the reported benefits of collagen supplements are anecdotal and may vary from person to person, there is some scientific evidence to support several advantages. Skin health. Improved skin elasticity. Collagen is a key component of the skin structure. Some studies suggest that collagen supplementation may help improve skin elasticity and hydration, potentially reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Reduction of signs of aging. Collagen supplements may support the body's natural collagen production, helping to maintain youthful-looking skin and preventing premature aging. Joint health. Reduced joint pain. Collagen is found in cartilage, which cushions and protects joints. Some individuals report reduced joint pain and improved mobility after taking collagen supplements. Joint function. Collagen may help maintain and promote joint function, making it a potential option for those with osteoarthritis or other joint-related conditions. Hair and nail health. Stronger hair and nails. Collagen is a structural protein that contributes to hair and nail strength. Some people claim that taking collagen supplements leads to healthier and stronger hair and nails. Gut health. Gut lining support. Collagen may help support the integrity of the gut lining. This can be beneficial for individuals with digestive issues or leaky gut syndrome. Bone health. Collagen is a minor component of bone tissue, and some research suggests that collagen supplementation might help support bone density and strength, particularly in postmenopausal women. Muscle mass. Collagen supplements may help in preserving and increasing muscle mass, which can be especially beneficial for athletes and older adults. Wound healing. Collagen is essential for wound healing, and some studies suggest that collagen supplements may accelerate the healing process. It's important to note that while collagen supplements have potential benefits, they may not work for everyone, and results can vary. Also, the quality and source of collagen supplements can impact their effectiveness. Collagen supplements come in various forms, including powders, capsules, and liquid, and they can be sourced from different animals, such as bovine, cow, porcine, pig, marine, fish, or chicken. Be sure to consult with a healthcare professional before adding collagen supplements to your routine, especially if you have specific health concerns or conditions. Incorporating a balanced diet rich in foods that naturally support collagen production, such as lean meats, fish, eggs, and fruits and vegetables high in vitamin C, can also contribute to overall collagen health. Thank you for watching. Please like, follow, comment and share this video. Subscribe for more videos like this.